What's up, guys? Welcome back. Pennywise Deadlights. This is kind of like the half Deadlights face. It's not like fully open head, but it's creepier. I think this is creepier than that. The kind of half with the teeth and the weird eyes. Welcome to Derry. Highly recommend it. If you like Stephen King universe stuff, it's awesome. I think it's better than the movies. So let's try and draw this creepy one. This is like when he's down in the sewers chasing the kids and his head like goes into this weird contortion with all the teeth. So let's just go for it. We'll go for his eyes. So we'll curve this, and they're like very weird bulging sort of eyes. When we're close up, we do see some eyelashes on the eye, so might do that. And then the bottom sort of eyelid. Okay. And then like looking down real creepy, so glowing yellow eyes down here. Like a tear duct or something there. So he's got that big like spiky eyebrow thing. Just coming up, down. And there's like some extra wrinkles and stuff just around the top. Okay, so the other eye, right, so they're really far apart in this version, right, so we do another one of those spiky ones. It's kind of like, he's kind of, head is kind of turned away from us, so we're kind of like in 3/4 pose a little bit, right, but we do get that arched thing nonetheless. You know, lots of wrinkles and stuff. And then his other eye, so it's like in here. So like some eyelid lines just coming around there. And then again, iris looking down like that. And then the pupil sort of down there somewhere. So looking crazy looking. And then he's got like his cheekbones kind of like stick out like side of his face like that. So we have his clown red nose just here in the middle. They've kind of like widened it out a bit. So it just goes like this. And then like snarling, sort of lots of sort of wrinkles along the top of his nose and everything. So, he has those red spikes on his eye as well. And these join his mouth, which is ridiculously large in this one because it's opening for the deadlights kind of thing. This comes down this way. And then up here. So his jaw, like side of his face, just goes down this way. And you get like lots of teeth in here. So we'll just get maybe the side of his head in. His hairline just going this way. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause. Pause. So the top of his head very large, top of his head, and he's got that little spiky bit that comes out. Up there. And there's lots of cracks and stuff like on his head. Like it's just coming across, you know, the round part of his head. The teeth is probably the most detailed part, so we'll just get like the rest of his hair and everything. So these big spiky sort of swirly hair lines on the side. I think that's maybe someone's ear or something. And do it over this side as well. All swirling down. I think we can see a bit of his ear in there as well. So his ear's in here. Boop. Ear lines inside. And like texture on the hair, all these swirly parts have lots of linear sort of texture on them. And then we just have that swirl that's on the top of his head. So it's like this. So we can go, let's say, up. Go a bit higher, maybe. Down. So then we go like for this bit here. Like spiral textures around. All right, now those teeth, crazy teeth. So his mouth open, wide, bumpy on his gum line. So bumping across this gum line here, and then down the side, and me a load of teeth in here. So we'll deal with maybe, so there's some teeth sticking out the side there. And then the inside of his mouth kind of comes down here. And we got like his red lips and stuff just like coming around here. Very stretched and, you know, pulled. Lots of wrinkles and stuff. And then all those teeth. So you just gotta really just start going for it. So like spikes. Loads of them. Yeah, just like millions and millions and millions of these spiky teeth. Like a ridiculous amount of teeth. You know, you might get ones like real small up there. Right, like that, and then it's like attached to his gum, so you just like curve over the ends of each of these as best you can. Because it's like attached to his gum line, you know. And then there's like, so there's another bumpy section. You can't see teeth on it, but when he goes full Deadlights, I know there is teeth on it. So it kind of comes down from the back of his mouth. It's kind of bumpy in here. But the teeth haven't come out of it yet, I think. Or it's just super blurry picture, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to texture it up, really. And then his tongue, I think, is just here. Like the back of his tongue is kind of like just there. And a big dark shadow for the back of his throat. Of course, if you want to put some glowing yellow in there, you can, you know, for Deadlights. So do this teeth thing again, just facing upwards. So you'll just go like, you know, the bottoms of them, they're like bumping right out along the bottom there. So like, all right. You could do more than that, of course, if you wanted. You could keep adding them. But we'll get his sort of collar done now. So it's like this frilly collar that comes down. It's got a couple of layers, right? It's like a layered cake of pain. And we go around like that. And we do a couple of layers. So you just wavy lines is the easiest way I've found to do it. And they kind of like overlap one another. There's like a couple of different ones. And then they have all textures. So it's like textures going out. Like hands of a clock, you know, going around. It's kind of dirty as well, you know. He's not a clean clown. He lives in a sewer. And you just keep adding. Bum, 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 bum. So, right, so his like shoulder, it's got like a little seam on it there. And then a big shoulder pad this side. And you can kind of see like his chest kind of going down that way. And then the big shoulder pad is kind of bigger on this side, so it goes down that way. And then he has these sort of folds on them, you know, like just lots of these kind of, because it's like a poofy sort of thing. You know, poofy shoulder pad. This is the best way I've found to sort of make something look sort of puffed up. And again, bloody, like maybe some drool. Drool is probably always good for Pennywise. Welcome to Derry. Highly recommend. Great show. Well done to the people who made it. They really like, you could tell they really like the story, you know. It's good stuff. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.